We are baking vegan miso-glazed Japanese eggplant, known as Nasu Dengaku. It serves 4 people and takes about 45 minutes from start to finish. Let us get into it. Before we start, here's what you'll need. For small Japanese eggplants, about 600 grams total. These will roast up silky and tender. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil for brushing. It helps the eggplant caramelize. 1 pinch of sea salt. This draws out moisture and seasons the flesh. 2 tablespoons of white miso paste. This brings deep umami and sweetness. 1 tablespoon of mirin. It adds a gentle sweetness and shine. 1 tablespoon of water to loosen the glaze. 1 tablespoon of sugar. It helps the glaze caramelize. 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil for nutty aroma. 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds for crunch. 1 scallion, thinly sliced, for a fresh finish. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius and line a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper. Rinse the eggplants under cool water and dry them thoroughly so the skins are clean and moisture-free. Trim the stems and cut each eggplant in half lengthwise to expose the flesh. Score a deep crosshatch into the flesh of each half, being careful not to cut through the skin. Sprinkle a pinch of sea salt over the cut sides and let them rest for 10 minutes to draw out moisture. Blot the cut surfaces with paper towels to remove the moisture that has come out. Brush the cut sides with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, then place the halves cut side down on the lined baking sheet. Bake for 15 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius until the eggplants start to soften. Using tongs, carefully flip the eggplants so the cut side faces up. In a small bowl, whisk 2 tablespoons of white miso paste with 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil until completely smooth. Brush the miso glaze evenly over the cut sides of all the eggplant halves, coating the surface well. Return the tray to the oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, until the glaze is bubbling and caramelized at the edges. Transfer the baked Nasu Dengaku to a serving platter and let it rest for 5 minutes. Garnish with 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds and 1 thinly sliced scallion, then serve warm. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That is our vegan Nasu Dengaku. If you liked this video, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you do not miss the next bake.